Saté beef and noodles, croissant cheese and ham, milky coffee, 38 Hong Kong dollar, £3.80. Lovely restaurant. Thank you. Thank you. That was another wonderful breakfast, not had that before. Satay beef noodles and a croissant with ham and cheese. And a coffee, £3.80, 38 Hong Kong dollars. I'm going to get the metro now to Victoria Harbour. I'm going to be getting the Star Ferry across the harbour into Central. I'm going to be exploring Hong Kong Island today. When I woke up, the mountains were in clouds, although it looks like the clouds have lifted now. There's a bit of a gamble going hiking today. And there's better weather coming, so I thought I'd change my plan up a bit, have another rest day. Well, it's rest day from hiking. I'm still going to be doing a lot of walking today. Lots of sights to see around Hong Kong Island, Central, probably the monster buildings. I might look at going, there's an observation tower in the highest building on Hong Kong Island, so I hope to go up there. That opens at 10, and then in the afternoon I might get the ferry over to Lama Island for a 3-mile walk there and some seafood, catch you at the ferry. Back down at Victoria Harbour now. Looks like Star Ferry's just coming in. Not sure how long it waits for. I'm not going to run. If I have to wait for the next one, I don't mind. Wonderful view of the city. Yeah, it looks like it's clearing. When I woke up, looked out the window, all the mountains were in clouds, but it looks like the clouds have lifted off the mountains now. I think it's going to be a nice day. Maybe I could have gone hiking, but it was a bit of a gamble. We've got some better weather coming in the next few days. Yeah, just going to show you the view again. Hits a lot different than at night time, evening. The sun's in a different place now, shining on the buildings. And this is the tallest building on Hong Kong Island here, and there's a free observation deck. So that opens at 10. So I'm hoping to go up there. I find all the attractions I've been to so far have been free to enter. All the temples, monasteries, the observation tower's free. Public transport's really cheap. You can eat very affordably. The only expensive thing is the beer I've found. Yeah, so it's $1, one Hong Kong dollar. To use the ferry, that's 10 pence. There it is coming in now. It's sailing 9 minutes past 8. Sotheby's, Hong Kong. Imagine being rich enough to be able to buy things from Sotheby's. Right, so I found Central Station, very posh area, Charter House, Sotheby's Hong Kong was in there. Love watching a good online auction. Some of the money, some of the stuff goes for. Amazing. Looks like they had some lovely exhibitions in there. I don't know if you can go and have a look around or not. But yeah, it looks stunning. So we're going to have a walk to Statues Square now. There's a few sites around there. There's the Bank of China, HSBC building. I think it's quite a nice square. I don't know if it's something to do with Parliament there. I forget now. It's been a while since I researched that area. Yeah, it's only a short walk away. We're going to go and check that out. Like we're set up for a Christmas market. Yeah, so that was Statue Square Garden. It was all set up for Christmas market, Christmas decorations. That looks like the HSBC building there, Bank of China. I forget what this building is called, very futuristic. I'm not sure if you can go inside any of them. Now I do bank with HSBC, so if there's a cash point there I'm going to have to draw a little note out. I drew money out of the one at Canary Wharf at the headquarters there. Wow, we've got people doing Tai Chi in the park here. What a setting. Seats over there, going to take a seat a minute. Wow. Yeah, so just made a little time lapse there of Charter Gardens and watch them doing Tai Chi in the park. Early in the morning, they've all gone now. Yeah, that was a sight to behold. Watching all the morning commuters passing through on the way to work. Now I'm going to go and head into the Bank of China first. There's a coffee shop in there. I'm going to go and get a coffee while I wait for the observation deck to open. I'm going to make that there. There's the HSBC building. What a place. That's the observation tower up there. Yes, I'm in Pacific Coffee inside the Bank of China. It's a very posh coffee shop. Probably one of the poshest coffee shops I've ever been in. Some bankers here having morning coffee before they start work. And I've got Cafe Caramel Chileno. Very refreshing. Yes, I'm not really sure what I'm doing at the minute. Well, I'm going to go to this observation day that opens at 10. It's 9:22 at the minute, so just going to have a coffee and then have a walk over. And after I'll probably get there. There's lots to do. I don't want to be going backwards and forwards. I mean, I've got plenty of time. I've got 5 days on Hong Kong Island, starting from tomorrow. So I've got lots of time to explore still. But yeah, I don't want to be going back over myself all the time, here, there and everywhere. I want to try and do things a bit methodically. So yeah, I've got a bit of ad hoc planning to do where I'm going for the rest of the day. So there's the IFC tower. I think it's the International Finance Centre, and the observation deck's up there on the 55th floor. That's where I'm heading now. I've made it to the IFC mall. Two IFC. Now I've got to try and find my way to the entrance to the tower. Apparently there's a entrance lobby. Where you sign in. I think it must be this way. Starting to see some Christmas decorations now in the parks, outside the hotels, and in the mall. Yes, I'm in the right place. I'm about 10 minutes early. It's down these escalators. Well, so I didn't film much of that. It was very formal. The most interesting entrance to a viewing platform I've ever had. Yes, got a council denomination, 1,000. Out the window, no station deck. Yes, there's no one here. It's not advertised. You have to sign in at the reception, show them your passport. They let you off free of charge. People know about this. And that's the peak view. The funicular goes up there. I plan to hike this one at some point, hopefully High West I think it's called, to the viewing platform up there, get the night views, classic night shot of Hong Kong. What a city. This is the International Financial Centre. Museum, exhibition, all about currency. observation deck, well worth a little visit. There's some interesting sections showing about the currency, nice views of the city. So that's it for that vlog. Yeah, just getting to Central, seeing some of the skyscrapers, and a journey to the top of the IFC Tower 2 for the free observation deck. Now I'm going to find my way to Moshan Temple. I think that's what it's called anyway. I keep getting the names muddled up. Yeah, I'll try and do a vlog from there. Peace.